Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will be discussing about this game. As you all know, this is a 2x2 cube. So this is the best game and best activity for your child to improve eye-hand coordination, to improve his or her focus, to improve memory, concentration, and this is a brain boosting activity also. So you can buy these type of cube 2x2 3x3 in pyramid and different type of shapes. You can buy these from any store or from website or anywhere. So at starting level you can introduce your child this 2x2 cube. So आज हम इस 2x2 cube को solve करेंगे सबसे simplest and easiest way में. मीन्स दिस इज़ द बेसिक. अगर इन केस आपको 2x2 की क्यूब सॉल्व करनी नहीं आती है एंड यू वांट कि आपके चाइल्ड भी इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ में इन्वॉल्व हो, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू स्टेप बाय स्टेप एंड यू कैन ईजिली डू इट. फर्स्ट पॉइंट दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड, दैट इज़ अबाउट द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. Color combination. There are 6 colors in 2x2 this cube. So the color combination will be in this format. They will always be opposite: red, orange, green, blue, white, yellow. You have to take care about this combination. For example, right now this is the white and the opposite of this white is yellow. Green opposite is blue, red opposite is orange. So this is the color combination that you have to keep in your mind. This is the first algo, the basic algo that you have to keep in your mind, and you can solve this cube with the help of this algo. And after that there will be one more step to solve it completely. So you have to watch the video till end if you want to solve it completely, and you can solve it within 2 steps. This is the one and this is the second step to solve this cube. This is already set, so we have to disassemble it. Okay, so here you have to take care about the layers. Here are 4 layers. For example, this is the right layer, it will be in right hand side. This is the left layer in left hand side. This is the upper layer. Okay, if you are moving it in right side, this is upper right, this is upper left. Okay, this is down layer. Okay, so this was the all about the layers. Color combination we have already done. Now it is the time to start to solve this cube and to apply this algo. So before applying this algorithm, what you have to keep in your mind is that for example, this is the first one that we are going to solve. So this should be in the left hand side, left front. This is the front side, this is the back side. Okay, this is the top, the bottom, left, right. Okay, upper, lower, or down you can say. So this should be on the front top. This is the front side, top, and in left side. This thing you have to keep in your mind. Let's get started. So यहाँ से आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे combination of white and here front में what we have, red. So we will find another white and red. Let's find out. Here this one is white and red. Here it is. So it should be in the right hand side. It is already in right hand side, but it should be in the front and here in bottom. White red combination, it is here. Now we have to apply this algo. You have to keep applying this algo till the time white and red combination will come here, and you have to complete this algo. So let's get started. Down, right down, down left, right up, Now here is white and here is red, but you don't have to leave the algo. You have to complete this algo. After right up, what you have to do? Down, right. You have to finish this algorithm. Okay. Now this one is done. What we have to do? The second one is here, white, white, but here should be blue, blue. So what we do? We will find white and blue. Where is white and blue? White and blue is here. So we'll move it here and it should be on the right front. Okay. Now we have to start this algo again. Down, left, up, and you don't have to stop it here. White, white, blue, blue, but you have to complete the last step of this algo also. Okay. This is done. This is done. Now let's move on to the next one. White, orange. Where is another white and orange? White and orange is here. Here, this one. So we will move it on the right hand side, bottom. Done. And start this algo again. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, and then complete the last step. Down, right. Okay. All white set. Now what is the opposite color of white? The opposite of color is yellow. White, yellow. So you can get 1 yellow, 2 yellow, 3 yellow. Worry about it and keep following the same algo again. Right, down, down, left, right, up, down, right. So let's get started. Down, left, right, up, right. Okay. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. You have to complete the algo till the last step. Now just move the upper layer and bring it on the right row. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, and right. Now you got white layer done, yellow layer done. Now you have to find the combination of two sets, like 2 blue, 2 orange, 2 green, 2 orange, and 2 red. So we can make third layer completed. 1, 2, and 3. Now what you have to do, this layer should be in the back side, yellow should be on top, and white should be on back. And you have to follow the second step, second algorithm. Simply follow this algorithm. Left, up, this is our left, up, upper, left, right, down, down, 2 times, right, 1 and 2. Okay. Now right, up, up, right, right, down, down, 2 times right, 1 2 and write 2 times up. 1 2 and done. So this is how, with these simple steps, with these two simple algorithm, you can solve this cube easily. And if you want such type of more videos or activities, like there are some other cubes also available in 3x3, 4x4, pentagon, pyramid, and so many type of cubes are available. If you want us to share more videos on cubes or any other games or activities, you can comment me below in the comment section. And if you like our videos, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching our video.